Hello, Billy the Artist here with a quick update for all you folks who want how to draw stuff. I know this is Dobby and I did stuff a long time ago. You guys have been very patient. Thank you so much. While we've gone through everything that we have with the illness for my family, and I did all the Harry Potter stuff before, I've got loads of people asking me for lots of different how to draw videos. I am hoping that at the end of March 2020, or when this painting is finished, this is the one that's on the easel, you can see a link in the cards to the previous painting that had to be finished, because this is what pays my bills. And I have a lot of people who really enjoy the motorcycle art that I do, so I really enjoy producing the art for those guys, and I loved doing the training videos for you how to draw. I have got a lot of plans, hopefully, to be able to do a lot more. Things have calmed down now with the family. Thank you for all of your lovely kind comments with all the illness that led to the death of my father-in-law. Thank you so much for everything that you all said, and I appreciate, and my family appreciate, all of the condolences that were sent. All of that's now pretty much been sorted out. It's amazing how long things take to actually sort that out. So any of you who are going through a bereavement in your family, my condolences to you. It is a lot for a family to work through. So all the best to you if you are going through that currently. But again, I am planning on doing a lot more, and we should have, after all that we've gone through in the last few years, I should have more time to do more how to draw videos. I've been asked to do so many characters from so many different things, but again, the Harry Potters, I'm going to do those first for you people, the ones that have been asked for. So Draco, Snape, Hagrid, the old Albus Dumbledore, all of those plus more, and other characters hopefully as well. I am going to have the time when this painting is finished to be able to do it. I do have about another 6 oil paintings scheduled to do, but I will be able to fit in my how to draw videos in and around it. So I hope that you like the link to the time lapse of the Jonathan Ray picture before this one, and enjoy the updates on social media for this one. This is Peter Hickman at the Ulster Grand Prix. This is the current work in progress, so enjoy the updates on that on social media too. And thank you again for your patience waiting for the how to draw videos. There will be more in 2020, and I am really looking forward to it. Oh, before I go, I just got to dash off. Oh, noise in the background. Now, I have a little box here. The reason why I will be doing how to draw videos, little bit, is this little fella is my old rotary pencil sharpener that you hear on the video when I'm doing how to draw videos, and as you can see, the handle is a little bit sad, and I've had to fix it with a bolt that I put on because it's snapped off, and that served me very well. But I've had a present. So I don't know if you can see the box there. I have, and I didn't expect this, an electric pencil sharpener. It is a mammoth thing. The pencil goes in the end there, and you plug the fella in. So I am planning on doing how to draw videos. I am really looking forward to it, to invest in an electric pencil sharpener so that I can just keep going on the full real-time tutorials that can be more than 2 hours. This is going to be good fun. So anyway, I have a new toy to help. So thank you again. Looking forward to it. Enjoy the painting updates. And I look forward to getting the first ones up very soon. Should be a few weeks, 3 to 6 weeks maximum. Let me get this done, and then we'll be on with you guys. Take care, enjoy your drawing, check out all the other how to draw videos. Again, link in the cards to the how to draw playlist. We'll be up there with other stuff, and enjoy the time lapses and all that kind of thing. Thanks very much, take care, share, like, subscribe, ta-da.